Hi everyone, welcome back. This a quick run through for a journal for a lady called Tina. Wanted a bird journal that would remind her of some woods at the end of a road. I have to say, sounds idyllic, Tina. Right, so normal size, 6 to there, 8 3/4, 2-inch spine. And for this one I have actually put, she wanted the ridges underneath, so I put some cord underneath, distress back. So on the front we've got 2 birds, although they're not actually off the same stencil. So we have this little chap here, and then the flying one at the top, a couple of fussy cut butterflies, and the word notes, which I've backed onto some ribbon, coloured seam binding. There are just over 200 pages, and Tina wanted dangles, so we have dangles. So if we go inside, this one has pockets at the front. I know I don't normally do it, but I can see the reason behind it. So we have a tag. This is a little fussy cut bird, what a little bird said. The only kit I've used is my vintage bird study, so that's what all the main pages are. So we have a tag. First of the dangles, although that light doesn't actually show them up. Some poetry, like that picture. I've also put some out of a 1930s travel book. And this is about Cornwall, this one. This is a kit I'm actually putting together at the moment by a late or early 19th century female botanist. Really, really nice, very simple watercolour type pictures. So pockets, we have a collage. It's onto an envelope. The envelopes are empty, Tina. Now I know this, you won't find this down the road, hummingbird, but I know you like them, so put them in as little note cards. These are copies of 17th century book, 18th century book, and the centre, and the backs, and the back of the collage. This is to be used for journaling. St Ives Harbour. So there's plenty of journaling space in this one, as there are in most of them, to be fair. Second signature, second of the dangles. That's a very pretty yellow and green beads on that one. Tag, printed vellum page, note card, ubiquitous Edith Holden, some music paper, side tuck, in the centre. Now this I thought looked a bit of fun, back to my mini album days, so that actually folds out. I was debating on whether to put some, if I move it over a bit you can see it, whether to put a bit of washi tape on there, but I thought as is you can write on it. So you can, I slide it right the way over, fold it all out. So I thought, yep, a bit of fun. An envelope, that is also empty. I do find with these books that I fill them up so much. That's my favourite picture, the sparrow. But I run the risk of the weight becoming an issue. Oh. There we go. And the dangle. This is out of that same travelling book, I think, North Somerset. That's another one of my bird books. Birds and their attributes. Little tuck. And the centre. Trying to keep my hands out of the way. I've been reading some comments about people's likes and dislikes on YouTube. And it's, makes you stop and think. Blimey. Another little card. A little tag. Another little dangle. A bit brain dead today, so I do apologise. Note card, poems. Considering this book is from the 20s, I think, this one. They still look fairly primitive, the drawings do. Another envelope. Love that woodpecker. Another vellum page. Centre. Tuck spot in there with a nice pheasant on the back. We have a lot of the buzzards around here. When you get it, Tina, you're going to have to run your hands down to just flatten some of these pages out a bit. Tuck spot. Another dangle. So what are we on? Signature 5. 7 signatures altogether. Benningfield's Vanishing Songbirds. That was a scan of that book. And just to mix it up, top tuck. Centre. A little library card in there. Quintessentially English, or British, I would say. Cricket. Signature 6, so dangle 6. I'm not even sure if you can see these properly. So we have a tag, some more of that book, more hummingbirds, more of that lady botanist. It's quite a sad story actually with that lady. Her work was critically acclaimed to begin with, and then it would appear that blokes got jealous and dissed it all. So it was totally discredited. Another picture of St Ives. Yeah, I don't think that's one of the pictures from her that I've put as a watermark page. I don't think, I'll do a bit more research, but I don't think it was found to be relevant until after she died. So the poor woman never knew. The envelope. And that always the way. Now this is another one of the fold out pages, so if I pull it over, that is faint enough to write on. That's not an issue, same as the centre pages. So you can open it inside, so that one just gives you an extra bit of writing space. And the last signature. Nice big pockets. Last of the little dangles. There we go. Some poetry. A wren and its nest. Do you know, I don't think I saw a wren until about 3 or 4 years ago. I missed a page. I never appreciated just how little they were. This is a collage on a bag. And the centre. That's another collage. There we go. And the back of the papers. And the back page, another pocket, fussy cut, little bird on there as well, another tag, and something else that Tina requested. And a bit of coloured seam binding to finish it off. Right, Tina, I will get that in the post first thing in the morning. Enjoy. Happy anniversary. I will speak to you all later. Thanks very much. Bye.